Excuse me, sir, can I have your attention for a moment? Excuse me, sir. Do you know why you are supposed to take cover in a tornado? Oh, you don't? Flying debris! Excuse me, miss. Are you aware that the fire alarm is chirping, indicating that the battery is dead? The change! Excuse me, sir. Are you changing clothes with the door open? There's company here! Excuse me, miss. Are you aware that... What? You forgot to turn the oven off before getting in bed? I knew it felt unseasonably hot in here. It's gonna blow! Excuse me, sir. Are you aware that socks with sandals are an affront to fashion? Are you videoing my behind? You pervert! Excuse me, sir. Are you aware that you can be electrocuted while showering in a lightning storm? Oh, you didn't? Well, you're in for a shock. Excuse me.
Fraidy cat.
That term is derogatory. Guilty conscience? Cat got your tub? Just cooperate. Don't run. Just cooperate. Don't you run. Citizens arrest! They've seized illegal contraband? I don't know anything about catnip.